Hello everyone, it's me again, Teacher Amy. So welcome to my channel. This is it. This is the result of my application in a native camp. So sadly and unfortunately, I didn't pass the demo. So twice kasi yon. First na demo ko. So by the way, sa mga magde-demo, so once you enter the room. So, wait, let me share it to you. Okay. This one. So once you enter, take note of these instructions. First one, find a not standby tab. It's on the upper right corner of the page. Here, dito. Yan. Not standby. So click that one. Dapat click nyo yung standby. And then, it should be color blue. Yan. Tapos maghihintay ka. Usually, it takes 15 to 30 minutes or 30 minutes to 45 minutes. But because I had my demo twice, so I waited for almost over 30 minutes. So move the cursor. Yan. So yan. Please wait for the examiner to enter your demo lesson. So maghintay ka lang doon. Kung naiinip ka na, then exit. So yun, yung instructions. So first demo ko, I waited for 30 minutes and then the examiner entered. And ayun, medyo friendly. So, ang advice niya sa akin is, first one, I have to type her name and my name on the chat box. Kasi di ba, if you are having a demo, gagamitin niyo yung chat box for typing the sentences, the key pattern, the keywords. Yeah. But I didn't type her name and my name. So the first one na nag-introduce kayo like, hi, what's your name? Yeah. So my name is Angel. So you type Angel and then, oh, my name is Teacher Amy. So you type Teacher Amy. Yun yung first na advice. Second is there's a static noise on my end. Yes, wait. There's a static end on my end. So, naririnig ko din siya, honestly. Ito yung that time. Ito yung speaker niya, kaya na. But now, I'm not using it. I'm using the camera's speaker. So, yun, naririnig ko rin siya. So, I'm aware of it. Next. So, yun. And the next one is, I'm too close to the camera. So, dapat until shoulder. Ganun kasi. Medyo malabo na yung eyeglass. So, yan. Yun lang yung advice sa akin. So, kaya pinaulit. So, you will see there, do the demonstration. So, the second time, okay, yes. So, the second time na nag-demo ako, again, I waited for almost more or less 30 minutes. So, nag-enter yung examiner. Ang ingay, super. Ang ingay ng at the end of the examiner, maingay. So, by the way, the second time that I had my demo, I changed my headset. So, yun na yung talagang noise cancelling. And then, walang maingay sa end ko. So, I cannot hear the static noise. I also tried it in the Move meeting. So, it's none. And then, nung pumasok yung examiner, ang ingay ng side niya as in, shh, may ganon. Tapos parang umuulan. And then, hindi ko, naririnig ko yung, when she speak, yung ganon, naririnig ko yung hininga niya. So, ang ingay. And then, after that, mabait naman yung examiner. So, I thought I would pass kasi friendly siya. But, yun nga, ingay. And then at the end of my demo, so I followed the 3 advice that I had in the first demo. Kasi madali lang naman yung demo. So, yun. And then, sabi niya at the end is, this is recorded and I will send it to the higher blah, blah, blah. And then, naisip ko, recorded. So, bakang isipin ng magre-review is, it's on my side. But honestly, it's on the examiner side, yung nagpre-pretend na student. So, yun, I think that's why I didn't pass because they will not give a feedback naman. So, I swear I did my best and it was the lesson is very easy. The flow of the lesson is easy. And I followed the simple advices that the examiner gave in the first demo. So when I logged in, because it says there, they will review it for uh, 48 hours. So maybe 1 to 2 days. So I opened it the next day and Saran, it's like this na. So after reviewing your application, we regret to inform you that we have decided not to accept your application. As a result, you are currently unable to log in. I was so disappointed, but it's okay. I think maybe this is not for me, but yeah, so that's my application, but it's okay. So right now I am applying in private school because I cannot find some online ESL for a full-time job. So yeah, I think that's all for those who will take their demo. I hope you got your the best examiner and friendly. Yeah. So bye.